guess. I'm just sitting here in my room, looking at a fucking camera, because I don't really feel like I have anyone to talk to. You know, there's no one. I've no one in my life that I can just ramble at, and that's just my fault for feeling that way, because I probably do. But at the same time, I don't know how to talk to other people. I know there's other ways of self-expression than looking at a camera and talking. I mean, I like drawing, but how do I show someone else my drawings and have them interpret how I was feeling when I was drawing it, understand it? A few months ago, I took some shrooms. And yes, I did my fucking research. Of course, golden teachers. They're actually proven to be, I think, good for you. I'll have to look at that again. But, I thought I was dead. I thought I had died. I thought my life was over. I mean, if anyone watches this, if you've seen The Truman Show, I felt like that. I felt like I was Truman. And my brain was the TV producers, the owner of the show, and the people around me were the extras. Figments of my imagination. And anytime I tried to leave my room, my parents, they grabbed me and put me into their room and shut me in there to watch cable television. Which, let me tell you, did not fucking help me. While I'm off 5 grams of shrooms, thinking I'm fucking dead. And when I tried to explain to them, I'm dead, I died, they brushed it off like it was the shroom talking. But no, it was me. I was talking. That was me. I'm always me. And I know that. I think therefore I am. But what is me? I'm just a collection of cells that work in harmony. I don't know. How do I explain this way I'm feeling? I feel like there's so much potential, and yet it's being wasted on me. Like if someone else was in my shoes, they'd have done so much more with their lives. I mean, I can't even keep my room clean. I'm always procrastinating. I'm always forgetting. Always losing shit. I can't socialize. I don't understand. I just feel alone. And I keep thinking, I need to find a partner I need to find someone that understands me. But what if there's no one? What if I'll be alone forever? I have this really weird habit of when I talk to people, when I am interacting with other people, if I don't feel like I am above them in some certain way, if I don't have something over them, then I'm not worthy of talking to them. I don't know why. I just don't have any confidence unless I feel like I have a superiority over them. And lately, it's been really rare that I've had that. That I've had a sense of superiority over someone, that I can confidently talk to them. I think to myself, well, why would they want to talk to me? What do I have to offer? What do I have to offer? So many things I want to tell people. I took a personality test and I'm an extrovert, but I don't know how to be extroverted. I don't know how to talk to people. And every time I try, I get further into my own shell. Digging myself deeper. And even now I'm procrastinating, sitting in my room, looking at a camera and talking, instead of doing my homework, or practicing my audition, or doing literally anything. This thing we've been recording. Damn. I've been sitting here for 12 minutes. I mean, I don't think am I ugly? Am I too skinny? Or is it just that I have no capability of talking to others in a confident way? I have no way to tell if someone's interested in me. No intuition in which to pursue someone. And I just keep telling myself I'm waiting for the right person. But in the end, there's no real right person. I mean, why do I have to feel this way anyways? Why can't I just live my life by myself? Why do I have to feel the need for a connection? Why can't I just be independent and confident in myself? Why do I have to make a fool of myself all the time? I tell myself I do that so that I can relate to other people, but in the end I'm alienating myself even more. In my head I have leadership skills, but in practice I don't. I don't have any way to order people around in a respectful way, especially. I don't understand. People pass me off as a silly guy who is stupid, but I'm really smart. Anytime I tell anyone, oh yeah, I got a 34 on the ACT, they're surprised. Really surprised. Because they think I'm a fucking idiot. Why? Why do you make these assumptions about me? But really it's my own fault. I don't know what to do about it. I've dug this hole and I don't know how to get out. People say college is a fresh start, right? But I'll be going to college with a lot of kids from my school. And how much of a fresh start will it be? How much of a different person can I really become? I made a fool of myself on New Year's when I went to Jonas's friend's house, Kenny. I smoked some weed and then went nonverbal for the entire night. This kid James from my elementary school was like, oh, I don't expect you to be here. All this bullshit. I mean, I want to fit in, but I don't want to be smoking that much weed all the time. I don't mind smoking weed, but the way that my parents treat me and treat the idea of it makes me feel like a terrible person. I'm just trying trying to relax. Just trying to have some fun. In this short life, why can't I just have some fun? Why can't I play some video games with my friends sometimes? I know my room's messy. I know I have homework to do, but I don't want to do that. Sometimes I want to sit on my phone for an hour. Why do you have to make me feel so guilty about it? Why do you have to make me feel so guilty about hanging out with my best friend? He's a good person. I guess I might post this on YouTube or something with an anonymous account. It'd make me feel better. But when will I ever feel better? I'm always feeling worse. Everything's a downhill spiral from when I was a kid. Nothing mattered. And everything was fun. Sometimes I wonder, if Jonas killed himself, would I have too? Would I have just kept living? Would I have forgotten about it? I mean, how bad of a fucking friend am I to let him try and kill himself 3 fucking times? 3+ times. What the fuck? How do I not notice that he's feeling that way? And I know it's not my fault, but I can't help but feeling it is. I spent so much time just joking with him and laughing in his face, and inside he was getting eaten up. Now that makes me wonder how much of our friendship is real. I know he hangs out with me every day, but is that just to throw his parents off his scent? Am I just his best friend so that his parents hold out hope for him? I really hope not. So they leave him alone. I wish my parents would leave me alone. I'm going to college next year and they will not stop treating me like a child. They act like I'm 7 again. And it just makes me feel like I'm 7 again. They're constantly telling me to clean my room, cut my fingernails. Never gonna get a girlfriend if you don't do your hygiene. I'm trying. Leave me the fuck alone. Fuck. I gotta go to bed. Oh, and if I don't see him, good evening. No, it's not that. Good afternoon, good evening, and good night. How do I turn this off?